Hi, I'm Jasenia Hernandez, Principal here at Metropolitan Learning Center for Global and International Studies. MLC is an international baccalaureate school that offers the IB Middle Years program for grades 6 through 10 and the IB Diploma program for grades 11 and 12. The International Baccalaureate program is recognized globally for its high standard of rigor and the endless opportunities we offer our students in preparation for college and beyond. This is a CREC magnet school, and our theme is Global and International Studies. We offer 4 major concepts for students to gain before they leave our school. Thinking as global citizens, recognizing and understanding different perspectives, taking action for social justice, recognizing diverse perspectives, investigating the world, and communicating as global citizens. Our goal is to empower students to become change makers in the world we are in today and positively impact our community through a focus on social justice and equity.
My name is Kimberly Monroe and I am the Assistant Principal at the Metropolitan Learning Center. Here at MLC, we have a diverse student body with students coming from over 30 towns. They have an opportunity to participate in leadership opportunities such as web leaders, peer mentors, peer mediators, peer tutors, and the student government, not to mention a host of other activities. We also have sports.
Hi there, my name is Christine McAllister. I'm the Middle School Dean of Students here at the CREC Metropolitan Learning Center. At MLC, we have sports for both the middle school and the high school. Some of these options include soccer, volleyball, cross country, basketball, indoor and outdoor track, baseball, and softball. Practices are after school, and we provide a bus to those students that live in Hartford. Our upcoming open houses are on Thursday, December 12th, Wednesday, January 13th, and Tuesday, February 23rd. We look forward to showing you our school. Check us out at www.choosemlc.com.